What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We are back with upgrades with the Toyota Tacoma, and in today's video we are installing a dash cam. I've been thinking about getting a dash cam for a while and I didn't really look into it that much, and then I had this company Fitcamx reach out to me and they offered me this product, and I was like, sure, let's go for it. I did my research, it looked like a good product. And what really caught my attention is how sleek and creative this camera is. But before I show you guys what I mean by that, if you could do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We, as I always say, just are getting started on this channel. We got plenty of more things coming and you're not gonna wanna miss it. But let me show you what I'm talking about and let's see what's in the box. All right, so we got this nice box right here. So this does connect to Wi-Fi if you have a hotspot. It has loop recording, has a G sensor, super wide angle, and it has a 4K resolution, so that's awesome. I will show you guys how it looks like as well, but let's see what's in the box. So check this out, guys. This is the camera. Interesting, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the top portion by the mirror, and it's just gonna be replaced with this. And it has a camera in here, and it's gonna look super OEM, super sleek. The camera is right here, and it just connects with one cable, plug and play. It actually already came with a memory card as well. Came with a memory card, 64 gig. How awesome is that? There you go. So let me show you guys how we're gonna install this. We have this, we have the cable that we're gonna connect. We got a USB as well, and then a prying tool, which I don't think we will need. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off this top cover right here. Just gonna slide it down and pop it right out. We're gonna move the mirror to the side right here so we'll have more access. Let's see how much I can do that like that. There we go. Got the mirror out of the way, and we're just gonna pull on this. It should pop out. There's two clips in here. There it goes. There's two clips. These two red clips, we're gonna go ahead and take them off and transfer them to the new unit. All right, so the new camera comes with this converter, which is plug and play, super nice and easy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug this, then take this out. We're gonna plug in the converter. There you go. And then this will get plugged into here. So once the converter is plugged in, we will plug back in this plug. There you go. And then this is the camera plug right here. Okay, so we transferred over the red clips. We're gonna go ahead and connect this camera cable. It just goes one way, so just figure out which way it goes and just plugs in. There you go, clipped right in. And now we're gonna go ahead and put all this back together. Let's see how it fits. This is not a OEM part, they made this themselves. So let's see how well it fits back in here. I have a good feeling about this. So it goes in here. Okay, so we push it in here and then clip it back in. Let's see how that's set. Seems like that's in there pretty well. Awesome. All right. Okay, so we got that plugged in. We'll take off this sticker right here for the camera. Bam. Now let's see how it works. All right, so we got the camera all hooked up here. Let's make sure it has power. So let's turn on the truck. We got some red lights, that means searching for connection. And once the blue light shows, that means we are connected and good to go. Let's check this out, guys. Look how nice and sleek that looks. That looks awesome. You can't even tell, well, you can tell it's there, but it just looks OEM like it's supposed to be there. Let's get inside the truck, see how it looks. Right there. That's awesome. Okay, so let's look at how the camera looks. This is footage taken off this dash cam, and I am genuinely surprised of how good the quality is. This is 4K quality, daytime, and it looks very, very clear. You could read license plates, you could see very small details. I am genuinely surprised how good this looks. I am really happy. Let's see what the difference would be like in the nighttime as well. So this is the quality at nighttime. Now, mind you, my headlights need to be adjusted. They were pointed way too low, so it might be kind of hard to see in the darker part, but otherwise, that is very good nighttime quality for a dash cam. I highly recommend this dash cam. The quality is amazing. And let's dive into some of the features and how to use this camera besides it being always on the truck. So with this camera, there's also an app that you could download at the App Store or Google Play Store. And when you connect to the app, you have to connect to the camera via Wi-Fi. And once it's connected, you can actually see what your camera sees on your phone. And then you could also adjust the camera settings as well. So when you go to camera settings, you will have a couple options. You could do sound recording as well. I had that off. I didn't feel like I needed the sound. Image resolution. We also have video resolution, which you could even do better quality than what it's already at, which I thought was surprising. I mean, it's pretty good right now. You could also adjust the timestamp if you wanted to record every 1 minute, every 3 minutes, or every 5 minutes, as well as exposure. There's also driving collision sensing, so the camera makes sure it records when it senses something. And then there's also a parking monitor option, which if your camera has that. And then another thing that you could do is you could view all your files on your phone when you are connected to the camera, which I thought was pretty neat. You could download them to your phone, go through them, view the footage on your phone versus taking out the memory card and looking at the footage that way. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you're interested in getting yourself this camera, I will have the link down in the description below. I am really stoked about this. I love how sleek it looks. It's just hidden. And they don't just do Tacomas. They have a variety of vehicles you could choose from. Different styles, different hidden features. And I'm really happy how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you could do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We'll see you in the next one.